Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
A campaign URL adds tracking tags to a normal link so analytics can read source data. You will use 5 parameters to tag links. Those are UTM source, UTM medium, UTM campaign, UTM term, and UTM content. Add values that reflect campaign names and placements so reports stay clear. For example, type newsletter for UTM medium and Black Friday 2025 for UTM campaign. Use lowercase and hyphens instead of spaces for consistency across analytics platforms. Always preview the full URL before sharing it publicly to avoid typos and broken links. Start with the exact landing page URL and append a question mark before parameters. Add UTM source equals my source followed by an ampersand to add another parameter. Separate every parameter with an ampersand and every pair with an equal sign. Use lowercase letters and hyphens instead of spaces in values for consistency. Encode special characters like spaces as %20 when necessary to prevent link breakage. Validate the entire link in your browser to confirm it lands on the intended page. Maintain a shared spreadsheet that records all UTM values and naming conventions. Use consistent naming patterns like source channel and campaign name to reduce reporting errors later. Test every tagged link by clicking it and confirming analytics shows the expected UTM values in real-time reports. Avoid changing UTM values mid-campaign because that fragments attribution across duplicates. Shorten links with a reputable shortener only after testing to preserve readable tagging and accurate click counts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.